Actor John Abraham is all set to play former Mumbai Police Commissioner Rakesh Maria in filmmaker Rohit Shetty's upcoming biographical drama. The film is based on Rakesh Maria's memoir. Let me say it now. It will trace the remarkable journey of one of India's most respected police officers. Speaking about the role, John said, portraying Rakesh Maria comes with great responsibility considering the officer's extraordinary contribution to the country. During his career, Rakesh Maria led investigations into some of India's biggest criminal and terror cases, including the 1993 Mumbai serial blast and the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks. With Rohit Shetty at the helm and John Abraham stepping into the role of the celebrated officer, the film is expected to bring an inspiring real-life story to the big screen. Speaking about the role, John said that it goes beyond simply resembling the real-life figure on screen. Rakesh Maria is someone whose career has intersected with some defining moments in our country's history. So naturally, there is a tremendous sense of responsibility in portraying him. He further added, when you are portraying a real person, the objective isn't imitation. It's understanding the individual behind the public image. That means spending a lot of time researching, understanding his mindset, the pressure he faced, and the decision he had to make. It's a challenge to play Rakesh Maria on screen, and I am looking forward to doing justice to it. Beyond acting, John says he is increasingly drawn to stories that leave a lasting impact instead of merely entertaining viewers. Explaining how he chose his projects, the actor shared, I think every story should leave you with something. Entertainment is important. Cinema should always engage you. But if a film also stays with you after you have left the theatre or finished watching it, that's even better. I'm not choosing projects because they are trying to make a statement. I am choosing them because I believe they are honest, well told and emotionally engaging. If they happen to start conversations along the way, that's a bonus. Over the years as a producer, I've realized I can help bring attention to a story that deserves to be seen. At the end of the day, it's always about the story. If it moves me, I'll back it. The actor added, the storytelling remains the biggest factor behind every project he signs, whether as an actor or producer. John Abraham has also come on board as the presenting partner for the Test Subjects V, a feature-length documentary directed by Sol Kohli. The documentary follows creator-producer Kunal Avanti as he embarks on a personal journey exploring long-held beliefs around food, health and compassion. Speaking about what attracted him to the project, John said, what drew me in, it was an honesty. At its heart, that this isn't a film that's trying to tell people what to believe. It's one person's journey of discovery. I found that incredible, genuine. Thank you for watching, and for more updates for the world of entertainment, stay tuned to Times Entertainment.